Hello dear student, today we will start the new topic. The name of our new topic is find the product using the lattice method. Now dear students, previous OBA video I already discussed the find the product using the column method, find the product using the expanded notation. In the last OBS video, I already discussed the lattice multiplication. It means the lattice multiplication by using the 1-digit number, 2-digit number and the 3-digit number also. Now dear kids, today discuss the multiplication by using the find the product by using the lattice method for the 2-digit number and the 3-digit number. Now for your better understanding, now sharing with the one video in front of you. Now we have to the step. The step of the lattice multiplication means that you have to find the first step, second step and the third step. How can we solve the step by step by using the lattice multiplication? Okay. Now dear students, so please see the video carefully. Now see the step carefully. How can we draw the grid and how can we find that diagonally, how can we find the multiplication? It's a very easy method to find the multiplication by using the lattice method. So dear kids, all the students, so please listen here video.
video we'll look at multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So let's start off by drawing a lattice. So we'll make it a 3 by 2 rectangle. And then we'll draw diagonals down through each square of the lattice. And then we'll start at the top left-hand corner. So first of all, writing our 3-digit number, 317. And then our 2-digit number, 24. And now all we need to do is multiply together each of the pairs of numbers. So it doesn't matter where we start now, but let's start at the top left-hand corner. So multiplying 3 by 2 gives us 6. So we want to put in 0 and 6 in our first square. Multiplying 1 by 2 is 2, so 0, 2 in our second square. And then in our next square, 7 times 2 is 14, so 1 and 4 either side of the diagonal here. And then on to the next row. 3 times 4 is 12. So 1 and 2. 1 times 4 is 4, so 0 and 4. And then 7 times 4, 28, so 2 and 8. So that's very straightforward, just using our knowledge of our times tables. So that's all the multiplying done. And now all we need to do is add up. We're now just looking at the diagonals, so underneath our first diagonal we've got the number 8, and then the next diagonal has 3 numbers in it, 4 and 2 and 4, so they add up to 6 plus 4 is 10, so that's a 0, and we carry a 1 into the next diagonal, and then adding up the number that we've just carried to all the other numbers in that diagonal, we've got 1 and 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, plus 0 is still 4, plus 2 is 6. So that's our total for that diagonal, nothing to carry this time. The next diagonal adds up to, well, 0 and 6 plus 1 will be 7, and the last diagonal is just 0. So we've got an answer of 7,608. So notice the way we wrote the numbers down. We started off by writing down 317 going along the top row, then down the outside of our lattice on the right hand side, and then we continued working round in a clockwise fashion to get the answer. Now you might wonder why I chose to write the lattice 3 digits across by 2 digits down. Well, maybe you'd like to have a look at what would happen if we've got 2 digits across by 3 digits down. And then we'll go over that next time.
So dear student, this all the 2 example is based on the lattice multiplication. This is the lattice method by using find out the 2 digit and the 3 digit number. And I hope so everyone student understood the step by step how can you use this step by solve the lattice multiplication. This is lattice method. Okay. And the next topic we start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.